Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your rights. This is non-negotiable. First, identify the owner or license type and note whether the video is public domain, Creative Commons, or fully copyrighted. Next, decide your purpose, commercial versus educational matters, and if you plan transformative use, that affects legal outcomes. Then, immediately gather evidence: timestamps, original file names, license ID, and any written permissions. Once done, organize these materials in one folder so you can reference them when you request permissions or build a fair use case. Now move into securing permissions and documenting terms. Draft a concise request that states purpose, clip duration, distribution channels, and any compensation you offer. Be precise. Then negotiate key terms: license scope, exclusivity, territory, duration, and fees. Make trade-offs explicit. If you rely on fair use instead, draft a short rationale addressing purpose, amount, market effect, and transformation. Finally, record every agreement. Obtain signed contracts or email confirmations, save screenshots, and keep receipts. This prevents disputes later. Finish by using the video according to agreed terms and protecting your right to use it. Make sure to add required attribution exactly as the license demands. Include names, license type, and any link or on-screen timing. If someone objects or an automated system issues a strike, submit a counter notice or DMCA claim with your documentation ready. If issues persist, escalate. Contact the owner to relicense, negotiate limits, or consult a lawyer. One troubleshooting tip: keep dated copies of all licenses and permissions to resolve platform disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.